My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, this is metacube Stormer, and today I'll be showing you how to install Qiskit on your computer. So with Qiskit, you can now start writing your own quantum programs and load them up onto IBM's quantum computers that you can access online. So let's get started. First, we're going to install Anaconda Python. So I'll have this link in the description, but if you want, you could just search up Anaconda Python, and from here you can install this on Linux, Mac, and Windows. So whichever one you have, choose the respective installer. So since I have Windows, I would choose the 64-bit graphic installer. So then it's loading right here. So once it's installed, then you can go to your directory and just run it through your folder, or if you have Linux, then you can go to your terminal and then hit bash along with the file name .sh. So after that's done installing, what we're going to do is go to the Anaconda prompt right here, and then you're just going to type in pip space install Qiskit, and once you hit enter, then you'll be downloading Qiskit onto your computer. And after that's done, what you want to do is open Jupyter's notebook. And then how we do that is you go to your regular prompt and you just type in Jupyter notebook. What this does is from the command prompt, it'll open a Jupyter notebook window in your default browser, and you'll be faced with a bunch of your folders right here. So we're going to be creating a new file. So from here, click new, we'll hit Python 3, and then we brought up with the brand new notebook. You can name this to whatever you want, so I'll just say test. And then from here, we're going to first check if Qiskit has installed. If it has, then you'll hit import Qiskit and then you'll press shift enter to run that. This star means that it is currently running or waiting to be run, and since that turned into a 1, then that means that Qiskit is fully installed and you're good to go. Next, we'll want to check what Qiskit version we have. So here I'll put Qiskit dot underscore underscore Qiskit underscore version underscore underscore, and now it brings up the elements of Qiskit right here. I'll explain them later on, but it'll just bring you the latest installation of the elements. So now to actually access IBM's quantum computer, we need to have their API key. So once again, I'll have this link in the description, but we're going to be going to quantumcomputing.ibm.com. And here, if you don't have an account already, you'll want to make your own account. As you can see here, I've run some experiments the other day, right here. So if you don't have an account already, you're going to be faced with the login screen, and so you make your own account, and once you are done with that, you'll want to go to the home dashboard, and you're brought up to this page right here. And to access our API key, we're going to go to the top right corner right here, and it's showed signed in right here, and I'll go to my account, and this gives us instructions to install Qiskit. And then to access the IBM Quantum services from Qiskit, this is going to be our API token. So it's a very, very long token. So we're just going to copy it, and if you want to, you can look at it, but there's not really any point. So once we copy the token, we're going to go back here, and then we're going to say from Qiskit, import IBM Q, and if to enter, then we're gonna type in IBM Q dot save account, and within these two single quotes, we're going to paste our API key. So then shift enter. And since I've already logged in before, it says credentials already present, and then it's just going to overwrite that. So if this is your first time, it's going to give you a different message or no message at all, but it'll just run properly. And then from here, we're going to say IBM Q dot load account, and this is just going to load your account. So if you create a new program or a new file and then you want to create your own quantum application, you don't have to do this step with the API key, but what you do have to do every single time you create a new file is going to be to load your account. And if it's already there, it's just going to say overwrite, and that's all fine and good. So once you've done this, you're pretty much set. Now you can create your own quantum applications, and I'll be teaching you how to make your first one in the next episode of the series. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thank you.